And picture kami ngayon for visa. Hi, Day. Are you done?
Yeah.
Yun naman. No smiling.
No smiling.
Oh, no heart. Oh, God.
Sabi ni Dion din.
Oh, God.
Don't smile. Don't smile. Don't smile.
Done na for visa picture.
Mommy.
Mami naman. Ito nyo na. Parang mini swimming pool ah. Ayun na, ayun na. Ilan, ano sa'yo? Pasan?
Right. I'm eating.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Where are we going?
Chinese pizza center.
Papasok
But
kami
we
ng
still
requirements.
But we have a second left.
Yay! Dito kami sa papasok kami requirements. Saan tayo, Flor? 6?
Adi, ano ko yung requirement?
Alin? Hindi, doon sa loob pa po eh. Bawal. Oo. Okay. 6th floor. Pindot 6. Ice cream. Pagkatapos, nagpasa ng requirements for visa.
How did Dion?
Daddy, we are not. Daddy, sorry.
Korea.
Malapit po.
Dion.
Wow, my phone.
Mga day, tayo mo. Oh, sarap.
Daddy, ikaw naman.
Uy, sarap na di yun ah. Uy, what?
Well,
Oh. Pinipig. Pinipig. Ay, oo nga no.
it looks like this.
Bye.
We're going home.
We're going home.
Bye, Visa Center. We're gonna. Mommy and Daddy are going back on Friday. Hindi na kami kasama.
Yeah.
Pag kung available kami,
Right.
pwede siya
Visa processing. Done.
Not yet.
Game lang natin. Friday.
Let's see so Friday kung approve or not. Bye. Ay, just go.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Hey,
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today,
This is the day two.
yeah, second day. Today we're going to the visa center again. Titingnan namin kung approve ba
Tayo
kami
ay
or
na-approve.
hindi. Oh my God, nakakabadi. What do you think?
Siyempre approve. Sabihin mo, Dina.
Do you think?
Approve.
What do you think?
Approve.
Approve tayo?
Depende.
Depende. Si Daddy, tiwalang-tiwala siya
Approve yan.
ma-approve. Dion, what do you think? Are we approve or not?
What?
Approve tayo or not?
Yeah, po.
Opo. What are you doing? You're eating. Tingnan po natin. Mamaya, we will reveal kung approve or not. Bye-bye!
Done.
Shinagawa.
Yes. So kung pupunta po kayo dito sa visa center para sa Chinese visa, ay lang po yung De La Rosa parking sa tabi. Pwede po kayo dyan mag-park.
Lapit po.
Ayan, lapit lang
Shinagawa.
yan. Asan tayo ngayon, Day? Ay, may Versace oh.
Daming green bag, maliligaw.
Ah, pahulog ka ulit, Daylan ha? Wala tayong pamalit. May fish oh, do not feed the fish. Dylan, baka mahulog ka, magaya sa Singapore. Ingat, Dylan, baka mahulog ka dyan. Let's go.
Daddy!
Parang bukas na yung mall eh.
May bumba.
Balenciaga, mami. Ayan, Versace oh. Bili kita. Bili kita. On the floor yan. Dylan, on the floor. Versace, on the floor. Ayan, ito yung church. Ayan.
Looks like Padua here. Just a leg.
Correct. Looks like Padre Pio.
But it's
Ayun yung name, Santo Niño de Paz. Greenbelt. Finally use the center bridge. Ayun yun. Tayo dun. Ikot tayo, ikot.
Greenbelt.
Di ba yun yung bag? Yung alo?
Yeah.